Why I prefer Quixel than Substance Designer? It's because, as I say, I test the both software. I use the both. Just quickly to show you what I do with just a second. I search my ArtStation. I made these guys with Substance, and also those guys with Quixel. So I know both the software. So here it's a Substance Designer, so it's very, very nice, no problem. Substance is really great. That's Substance, a full Substance texturing. And here is Quixel. I prefer Quixel because of Megascan. Substance is fully procedural. You know, it's a lot of procedural. It's based on Substance Designer, and you should create the texture from the beginning. What I like with Quixel, Quixel is better, is the Megascan. They scan really data, so you have a very nice library you don't have in Substance. In Substance, the library is very poor. I don't like. I can show you because it's a frequent asked question. I will show you just one reason I prefer Substance Quixel than Substance. So here I finish is a gun I made with Quixel. Just why I prefer. I will just launch. Oh, I don't know if my license is. I don't launch. I don't launch Substance since months ago, so I don't know if it will work fine. And I will also just launch Quixel, just to show you. So first, Quixel is very fast to start, and we are waiting for. Oh, sorry guys, I need to connect me to stream, évidemment. I don't know my password. No, bad. Okay, I forget my password. Yes, nice. Quixel. So I have an update. I will just let here. I can create a project. Oh, well, fuck it. I just need a mesh. So yeah, we can try. I will make a little pause just for fun. We will send a piece in both software. Maybe this one. It's us. This one could be better, I think. Okay, so just check. Oh yes. It can be interesting to cut here just to optimize my UV because I will just for the example, I will duplicate this mesh here and make a cut here for my optimize my layout. So it's why I make it. So I make a layout. Nice. Now it's better. And I will export. I will make just a smooth and export this selection for test. I don't know where I will export it, in Substance Painter mesh as OBJ or FBX. So like that, I will try to show you really quickly both software for that for those because it's a frequent question. So I'll always no, it's okay. I want to show you first Substance Painter, but I'm waiting for the software. I don't know where is my Substance Painter. Where are you, Substance? Maybe I should relaunch it. Okay. So I don't remember very well how to use Substance, so sorry about that. I must import something. Oh my god, I don't remember how to use this software. News, yes. No, I don't want a template. I have a mesh, yes. Is here. Yes, in 4K, compute tangent space, Oh, it sounds good. So here is my mesh with an HDRI. Okay, perfect. Now I need to bake some map. How to quickly bake my map? I think so. So first, it's not logical. You need to bake to to bake a texture. You see, you are a lot of things. It's not logical. It's hide here. You need to come here. It's hide. Why you are not a big pop-up say you hey, bake your texture first, because you need to bake your texture first. It's logical. I don't understand. So bake texture normal, world space, no, yes, no. So I will bake to be quick at this time. I have no high poly because I'm already on high poly. Curvature position, bam, common, yes, common. Bake texture. Waiting for baking one piece. Le mec, avec le smooth, ça fait pas la Quixel. Non mais t'es fou, mec. J'ai testé Quixel, il prend 10 milliards de fois plus de polygones que Substance déjà. Non mais les mecs... 2016, hein. À part tu travailles sur un iPod. Voilà, donc là j'ai mes textures, donc je sais plus comment ça marche. Les layers... Et alors c'est ça, non mais les gars, regardez la tranche des thumbnails, quoi. Mais ça fait pas rêver, quoi. Puis en plus, il y en a quoi? Il y en a une dizaine, ils sont tous pareils. On enlève les skins et les trucs qui coupent. Y a que dalle, quoi. Encore ça, c'est les matériels, les smart. Regardez, le thumbnail est dégueulasse, quoi. Mais rien que ça donne pas envie de bosser dans le truc. On va prendre celui-là qui est un peu marrant, je sais pas comment on fait. Je crois qu'il faut faire comme ça. Voilà, il va calculer pendant 20 ans, voilà. Ah mais je sais pas, mais ça fait pas rêver, quoi, les gars. Ouais. Bon, là j'ai mis un truc qui ressemble un peu à une sorte de Caterpillar. Donc c'est une sorte de peinture usée avec des scratches, de la rouille, etc. Bon, les curvatures sont respectées, ouais, c'est pas la folie. On va en essayer un autre. So, yeah, here is a Substance library. So, honestly, I don't like the thumbnail. I found it's really ugly. Not a lot of choice. Here I try a Caterpillar look. It's not... Oh, I will remove that. Yes. I don't know. It's not really steel paint. I will try this basic one. I'm waiting for baking. So look, it's really ugly. I found. I don't know. It's bad. So now let's try in Quixel because here it's logical. You have one pop-up windows with all the steps in the right order. First, you load a mesh. Big icon. Load mesh, please. Load mesh, please. You're an idiot. Load your mesh. Okay, I load my mesh. Now I want to load map. No, I don't want. Bake map. Okay. Size. Where you want to set your project. Please set here. Create. Now it will bake all my map. So waiting for baking. It will open the viewer, showing the process of baking on my mesh, normal, extra, thickness, curvature. Perfect. Now it will prepare all the Photoshop layer, so it's take a bit of time, but one time it's set, you're the king. Let's get started, guys. Okay, it's fun. Here my layer. Now I can work. I will open my viewer and let's go. Okay, so my mesh. We'll try to find my mesh. I have a little problem, so I will coach here. You see here I have a problem because I export my mesh out of the center of my world. Okay, so I have problem. Just a little button I can fix, and now I can rotate. I have the two options. Same thing, you have the an HDRI like in Substance. You can choose your HDR, you can choose to show or not. Okay, and just look at that. If you don't know Quixel, you will look at that. What the fuck? How you can prefer this sheet instead of this? I can't understand. Sorry guys, but I can't. Here I want a funny, sexy metal look. For example, I come in metal and I have just for metal. Look at that. I want something like a caterpillar, all the paint, I don't know. Yeah, I will try something, this one. Okay, I create, just waiting a bit, and I have my material. Just waiting, bam bam. So it's the same thing than Substance, but I prefer, because for me, I prefer the result and the software. It's more fine. You see, it's a real map with all great details, etc. So let's try another one. Maybe something a bit more sexy, like I think there an Iron Man. Why are you there so much? Yeah, this one looks nice. I think it's in Legacy. I have the metal one painted. Yes, this one, for example. So yeah, it's just the reason why I prefer Quixel than Substance. Even I know if in Substance you can do have a better result, but yes, it's I prefer Quixel a lot. The way the interface, anything, the performance, the quality of the texture also. You see, I have more fine specular here. And of course, like in Painter, you can paint. So I just need to find. I think it's this one. Yes. So voilà. It just a little. So here now I just need to, yes, it's that. So I have where is my brush? Yes, I like this one. You can paint also now in Painter. So just set your brush, yes, like that, bit spacing, now, and I can, so my spacing is a bit, from, bam, 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 show mask, yes. Like in Substance, I can make my scratches extra. It's so funny. But after the UV or the Metal X8, I will make a full tutorial on Quixel. You see, the result is great. Of course, there are also the Dynamask that are really great. I prefer the Dynamask here, you see. Then the Substance one. Where are there? Is this one? It's the same thing, but I prefer this one too. Especially one that is. Where are you? The paint edge. Sorry, this one is not bad. So, who's the guy that ask me for Quixel instead of Substance? Et tu vois mec, ça lag pas du tout hein, dans Quixel je vais y arriver. Le viewport, hein, tu peux mettre autant de poly que tu veux, ça va pas laguer, hein, ça y a pas de souci mec. Donc voilà, faites aussi, s'il y a le gun, récupérez-le, amusez-vous. Amusez-vous quoi. Là j'essaye vite fait de sortir un masque. Un peu plus sexy, voilà, de pousser un peu le masque. Je crois que j'ai pas mis mon ambient occlusion, du coup il galère un petit peu sur les smart materials. Mais bon, en gros, voilà, donc je vais juste reprendre mes UV, voilà, c'était juste pour une petite démo rapide. Yeah, the Megascan is beautiful.